Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week we stopped at the Koroluk Landslide, located 41 kilometers northeast of Wainwright, Alberta. While this landslide was nowhere near as large or catastrophic as the Frank slide, it still does show the power of Mother Nature. The slide site is located on the west bank of the Battle River Valley and happened in the summer of 1974 when George Koroluk noticed the fault on August 28th. Two days later, when he checked the spot, it had sunk over 21 meters. The remaining cut bank is now almost a kilometer long and drop-offs as high as 24 meters. The slide was caused by water-saturated clay sliding out from underneath the topsoil. It traveled as far as 228 meters in some sections. It left the topsoil undisturbed, taking grasses, bushes, and even some trees with it as it dropped and slid. The slide was reported in the Wainwright Star Chronicle, and according to the reporter, the slide site was one of the biggest attractions in the district, attracting over 2,000 people, including some from Saskatchewan. Now, I would be remiss if I suggested that you go check out this site without giving you a warning that the ground may still be unstable and could give way at any time. So if you do go check out the site, do it at your own risk and be safe. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into. Feel free to share this video with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. If you don't mind, on your way out of the video, click on one of the thumbs, preferably the one pointed in the upwards direction. It does help bring more people in. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.